Hi friends, welcome to SNH Incredibles. So today I'm going to show a tutorial how to solve you can say a calculator in Scratch. So let's get into the video. Okay friends, so now I'm just going to show a demo of how this calculator works. So after you click on the green flag, it asks you for the first number. So I can give 67 and it asks you for the second number and I give you 89 and it asks you for what's the operator like if you select 1 it is addition, if you select 2 it is subtraction, if you select 3 it is multiplication, and if you select 4 it is division. For example, I'll go for a difficult one and give it 4, so it will give the answer 0.75. And after we start the program again, uh, example I give some random numbers 67, 78, and if I give any other number except 1, 2, 3, 4, it will just stop the game. For example 98, it stops the uh, game by itself. So friends, firstly go to a browser and go to scratch.meet.mpu and press on the first link. The link is given also in the description box below. So just go ahead. I have already created an account. So go to create. Okay, so a page like this will open if you click on the create, and then you can just name your file as uh, math calculator math calculator. And friends, so we have already stored the math calculator right over here. And now let's just start coding. So this is called the stage. These are the sprites. And this is where the text we are going to code now. Okay, friends, so first go to the events category and take the when flag click block. And after that, now we're going to create few variables. So we don't need this variable. So right click and delete my variable. So make a variable and make sure it's for all the sprites. Okay, we can set the variable name to the first number, numper, and another variable we can set it to second number, and the last one also we can set it to the operator. To confirm the operator, what is it? Yeah, so we already got three variables right over here, and now let us start coding. Okay, friends, so firstly we have to take this set block. We take three set blocks, and we can set the first number, second number, and the operator to 0. So what this does is when you actually code your program, and after you finish coding your program and you click on the red to stop, then again the calculator restarts. Okay, friends. After this, go to the events category. Yeah, search to the control category and take the forever loop. Go to the sensing category and take ask and wait. So we can ask. Okay, so we can ask uh, what's what's the first number and wait. After that, we can set the first number to answer. Yeah. So friends, just click on duplicate and yeah, sorry. And we can ask what's the second number. What is the second number? And wait. And the set second number to 0. And the last time we duplicate and we say what's the operator. Yeah. Sorry, right. What's the op- operator? Yeah. So this asks you the questions and it waits. And now again we'll go ahead and set the operator to answer. Okay friends, so now we need three if then blocks. And yeah, first let us take the three if then blocks to code for the separate things. Yeah, so we have taken the three if then blocks, and now go to the operators category, and we say is equal to. Okay, so is equal to, or go to the sensing category, no, sorry, the variables category, and take out the operators and put it right over here. So example, if the operators is equal to 1, so what do we do if the operators is equal to 1? We want to add the numbers. So go ahead to the, yeah, we can go to the looks category and say the first number plus the second number. So here, when you go to the variables, first number and second number. So friends, let's just test out how much the code we have written right over here, and don't forget to save your project. Yeah, so it asks you the first number, I give 67, and it asks you the second number, it gives you 89, and it asks you the operator. So first we have only coded for the first addition thing, so let's click on 1, and it gives you the correct answer, 156, and it restarts on its own. Yeah, and that's the result what we wanted. So the code is working. Okay, so now we will do the same code because the code is working out, and set the if the operator is equal to 2, and then say, yeah, say and go to the minus category, and say the minus category, first number minus second number. Yeah, and it chases for 2 seconds. And now let us do the multiplication block. So I'll just duplicate this at the same time. Yeah, so it's 3, and then you go ahead to looks category and say take the multiplication, and you can do the first number and the second number. Okay, friends, now we have to do the division. I didn't take an if then block because we can do the same thing, but we want to stop the game when they choose an operator like 67. So, in order to code for that, we can go to if then else block and do the same thing. Uh, so, what this does, if this statement is true, then it will execute this, or else this will execute this. So, if the operator is 4, if the operator is 4, you can go to looks and say the first number, and say the first number by the second number. Yeah, the first number, oh sorry, it's up there. Okay, so that you can say first number by the second number. Okay, for 2 seconds. So now our basic calculator is ready, and now there's only one thing we have to code in this else block. So else we just want to stop all the code. So go to the control category and stop all. Okay, no, sorry. So now just look out the code here. I'm going to just read it in a sequence. So when flag clicked, set the first number to 0, set the second number to 0, set the operator to 0. And now in the forever loop, it asks you what the first number, and we have set the first number to answer, and we have coded for the all three second number and the operator. So after that, now we saying if operator is equal to 1, then tell us what is the first number plus the second number. If operator is equal to 2, we are telling the scratch to minus the first number by the second number. Uh, and if the operator is equal to 3, we are telling it to multiply the second number to the first number. And if the operator is equal to 4, we are telling it to divide first number by the second number. And if the user chooses anything except this 1, 2, 3, and 4, then we are telling the code to stop everything. Now let's just test the code. So it asks you for the first number 9876. I give a big number, and it asks for the second number 23456 7. Okay, that's a huge one, and it asks you for the operator 4 0.04, and yes. So this is the code, friends. And if you go ahead and set the operator somewhere like 5, it just stops the game apparently. Okay, friends. So this is the SNH calculator. Okay, friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SNH Incredible.